From here, we'll go over explanations for some important features. Some parts may be difficult to grasp just by reading, so please try following along with the tutorial and experimenting with these features to understand them better. Let's start with the mirror settings marked by the butterfly-like icon in the upper right corner. This tab allows you to set up mirroring. Enable the X-axis option. Now, you can sculpt symmetrically along the X-axis. Similarly, enabling the Y-axis will mirror your work along the Y-axis, and the same applies for the Z-axis. Generally, while sculpting, the X-axis mirror is kept enabled. If you need to break symmetry in specific areas, turn off the mirror function as needed. Now, open the adjacent menu. You'll find various settings related to the mirror function. The lock feature allows you to lock transformations along the selected axis. To demonstrate this, switch to the grab brush and enable the X lock. Try pulling along the X-axis, you'll notice it won't move. This feature is rarely used, but it might come in handy when shaping elements like horns or spikes on a Kaiju model, where you don't want the axis to shift. Next, turn on the X tiling. You'll see multiple brush markers appear. This function allows you to sculpt in parallel along the chosen axis. Now, adjust the offset value under tiling. The spacing between the brush markers decreases, enabling denser sculpting. This could be useful for texturing a Kaiju's skin or making continuous engravings. Now, change the radial symmetry value for the X-axis to 10. This will create radial brush markers centered on the origin. Unlike tiling, which allows parallel sculpting along an axis, radial symmetry lets you sculpt in a circular pattern. The most important feature in this tab is Symmetrize. This tool mirrors the selected side of your model to the opposite side. It's common to forget to enable the mirror function partway through sculpting. When that happens, use this tool to create symmetry. Let's try it out. You'll see that the left side of the model has been mirrored to the right. If you want to mirror from the right to the left instead, change the direction value from positive to negative.